Yaheetech's manual retractable awning, 78 inches by 118 inches, is one of those simple upgrades that just makes your outdoor space more usable without breaking the bank. The Amazon listing highlights its adjustable height from 210 centimeters up to 300 centimeters, so you can fit everything from patios to balconies or courtyard entries just right. It's built solidly with a powder-coated steel frame, aluminum roller, and PU-coated polyester fabric materials that promise durability, outdoor friendliness, and long-lasting comfort under the sun. What I particularly appreciate is how practical the design is. The hand crank lets you effortlessly retract or extend the canopy and change the angle. Yes, you can even shift it into a vertical shade position when needed. It's stylish too, with a classic solid color fabric and wavy edge flap that adds a subtle decorative touch, so it's not just functional, it uplifts the look of your space. In terms of setup, Yaheetech advertises no-drill installation, meaning it can be installed without permanent damage to ceilings or floors. This is clutch if you're renting or want flexibility in placement. Wayfair lists a similar Yaheetech awning configuration with poles and tension design, rated 4.4 out of 5 from 19 reviews, with users calling it very good quality, easy to put together, and perfect for blocking heat or even rain. All in all, if you're after a stylish, adjustable, no-fuss manual awning that gives serious shade control and easy install, this Yaheetech model is worth a close look. And yes, of course we share by links in the description box so you can grab exactly the version I'm showing here.